Hi Longreach! Today we're going to look at how to use some of the advanced search features at the Student Resources and Context database. I'm using this one because it covers a lot of different subject and content areas, and it's a good choice of where to start when you're beginning the research process. Normally when I do a search, I would just put my term in here and click Go, but today I'm going to click Advanced so I can narrow down my search a little bit further. I already have that open in this second window, and as you can see I have this term video game, which I know is very, very general, so I'm going to pick this drop-down menu to try and narrow it down. If I select the word AND, it means I will get results that have both terms in it. If I pick OR, it means that I'll get search results that have one word or the other, maybe both. If I pick NOT, it means that this second term will not show up anywhere in my results. You want to be careful when picking this because it will exclude the word if it shows up in a caption or if somebody quotes it or in other small features. As you go further down, you can see there's more options. You can filter out in case your teacher says they want you to just have peer-reviewed journals. You can select that. You can filter by publication dates. Maybe you only want articles from the past year or so. You could pick content type. Perhaps you just want audio or you just want images. And last on here is content level. So content level has to do with readability. Basic is the least sophisticated, advanced is the most sophisticated. I'm going to click search, and you see here that there's all sorts of resources that come up. But I'm going to pick an article and I'm going to show you some of the cool features that this database has. You can click this play button here and it will read the article to you and highlight each word as it is said. There's also this citation function over here where I can pick MLA or APA and then have it exported to my Google Drive. I don't have to copy and paste it into another document. Another thing I think is really cool is I can highlight in the database and then I can go through and I can write myself a note. This is also really good because since I'm signed in through my HCPSS Me account, this is linked to my Google Drive. I can go over here and I can click Send to Google Drive and it will save the article, my highlights, and my notes for the next time I want to use them. Student Resources and Context has so many features that you can use to help you find the information you want. If you're having trouble, don't hesitate to find a media specialist and we'll find the information together. See you next time!